Digitstem and how to make money on Digitstem affiliate marketing platform. If you are watching this video right now, probably it means that you are looking to know if Digitstem affiliate marketing is a good fit for you, or you're already a member but you are looking for a ways to make money on the platform. Well, in this video I'll be sharing with you practical steps on how you can make money on this platform called Digitstem affiliate marketing platform. Okay, and if you have not made your first sales in this platform, I'm going to share with you also practical proven ways in which you can make money on the platform. Okay, my name is Elvis Germany. I teach on skilled affiliate marketers how to overcome lack of sales and build a profitable business that pays them at least $200 on a weekly basis. I'm not here to brag how much I've made on this platform. I want to share with you how you yourself can make a whole lot of money for yourself. Without wasting much time, let's dive into it. All right, so Digitstem affiliate marketing platform, I will break it down for you and show you how everything works. Okay, as you can see on my screen here, you are seeing something here. This is a store. Digitstem is just an affiliate marketing platform, just like every other platform. Okay, you have Expertnia, StakeCut, Zenithstake, Sell It, and the rest of them. Okay, Digitstem is one of them as well. Now, affiliates is you who is coming to promote Digitstem platform. All right, the marketing is a way through which you yourself you are going to promote it. It that works well for you, you are going to promote their product. Now take a look at this store right now. As you can see here now, we have many categories of products. Mind you, it's a digital product. We have product for wealth and manifestation. We have product for weight management, different kind of products, make money online products. So those things are digital products which is being housed in Digitstem. All right, so now you are an affiliate, you are coming to promote it. Okay, now let me take you to the next one right now. Okay, now how Digitstem affiliate marketing works, how does it work, and then how do you make your sales as a member of the platform. Now you make sales the moment you recommend these products right here now. Okay, you discover a target audience that needs a solution. Maybe take for instance, I want to make money online and I'm looking for ways to make money online. Okay, now you recommend me a product in the platform in Digitstem. The moment I purchase that product using your unique affiliate link, that's what is called affiliate link, what the platform is going to give you. All right, for each of the products you want to promote to have a unique affiliate link. So the moment I use that link and make a purchase, okay, it means that a sales will be attributed to you, and then you will make up to 50 to 60% commission depending on the terms and condition of the product. Okay, that is how Digitstem affiliate marketing works. It means you get paid per each product on commission that you sell on the platform. Do you understand? So to any product you sell, you are earning a commission on the products. Okay, now how then do you promote this product effectively? I want to share with you. Stick with me now. Then if you have not joined the platform, how then do you make your first sales as a member? Mind you, to join the platform is not free. Okay, and I'm going to provide a link in the description on how you can contact me, and as well if you want to get started with the platform, you can reach out to me. So how then do you make your first sales if you are already a member of the Digitstem affiliate marketing platform? And I will share with you a proven way to do so, okay, without you running an advertisement. Now let me share with you one of the first one. The first one is for you using what is called invideo.io. Invideo.io is a platform that allows you to create an animated video talking AI without you showing your face there. Okay, you use invideo.ai. We have free and a paid plan. Okay, second one you are going to use, and I will show you how to do so. Second one is pictoria.ai. Pictoria.ai is also a platform that allows you to also create a video content. Synthesia is also a platform that allows you to create a video content. Now what will you do and how should you do it? Simple. You are going to create a new TikTok account. Or Gemini app is an app from Google. All right, we call it Gemini, or you use Microsoft Bing. Each of them can generate a good prompt for you. What you need to do to that, the moment you join, when you get to Digitstem platform, let me show you something in a moment. When you join to Digitstem, there is a course they're going to provide for you, okay, that you consume. We call it the ultimate money making machine course, and I'll talk about the course in my subsequent video right now. So when you go through that course, you will learn a whole lot, like marketing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You will learn a whole lot. Okay, now from the knowledge that you have consumed from the course, what you need to do, you create a simple prompt on Gemini app or Microsoft app. What you simply do, from the lesson that you have learned there, you just tell the Gemini app, create a 20 seconds video script on how to make money on Facebook, on how to make money on YouTube. Okay, depending on what you have learned from Digitstem course, the app is going to generate a prompt for you, and that is what you are going to impute on this app here now. Okay, you impute it in this app to generate a video prompt for you. After the generation, you are going to post these videos on TikTok app. When you promote it there, you will see a whole lot of people coming for you to learn more about this, and that is simply how you do it. Now on the TikTok app, you are going to provide a link to contact you or your affiliate link in your bio. So when they watch it and they are interested, they're going to click the link on your profile bio, and instantly they're going to get and make a purchase, or they come to your WhatsApp to learn more about the product you are promoting. Okay, you can create a whole lot of different videos there. Okay, create a prompt and then you edit it properly. If you want to learn more on how to do it step-by-step process, or you want me to guide you on how I do it, all you simply need to do for you to comment in the comment section, okay, and then contact me through the link I'll provide on this video description. Okay, and also feel free to watch this video. It's going to explain to you more about the YOURM course and everything you need to know about it. Okay, I want to know you personally. Okay, drop a message in the comment section. Okay, Peter cares. Bye for now, catch you later.